welcome back to my channel. It is Vlogmas 8 and today we're going to be unboxing my Mielle products and I'm going to show you guys my wash and go routine using these products. This is my first time actually using Mielle products. People say they are good, so we're about to see. I know y'all are like, yes, this girl is finally washing next to a press out of her head. Like, I'm saying the same thing. This looks a mess, but we're about to do something to it. This is what the box looks like. I actually bought a bundle. Mielle products are very expensive, but I was able to catch the sale for Black Friday where everything was $6.99 and the bundles that was $60 was like $30. So I got a bundle and I got some extra things on the side. Mielle is also Black owned. The bundle that I got is called Sea Moss and it has the conditioner, the shampoo, leave-in conditioner, the gel hair mask, the curl pudding, and something has wasted on the side. I think I got some oil. Yes, some rosemary mint scalp and hair strengthening oil. And whatever that is that wasted, it smells good. Now that I have unboxed everything, it is time to wash this hair. Oh my God, I'm really about to wash my hair. My curls are really coming back. Well, I hope they come back. So I'm going to wash my hair off camera. And I got a quick question. When y'all wash y'all hair, do y'all wash y'all hair in the kitchen sink? Do y'all wash y'all hair in the bathtub? Do y'all wash y'all hair in the shower? Or do y'all wash y'all hair in the bathroom sink? Because honestly, my mom always made us wash our hair in the kitchen sink. But once I got my own apartment, I tried washing my hair in the shower and I don't know, I was just very disgusted. Maybe that's me being weird, but I really want to know, where do y'all wash your hair? So I just want to show you guys what my hair looks like with shampoo in it, and for the most part it looks like my curls came back and they came back beautiful. This is my hair after I have shampooed it. Now I am about to put the conditioner on there. I should be using a wide tooth comb, but I'm not sure where that is at. I have my detangling brush, but most of the time I really just use my hands to detangle my hair. My hair is fully conditioned. I'm just taking my fingers and raking through my hair and detangling. And my hair is definitely shedding, of course. This is just me being extra, adding more conditioner to my hair. But I am going to let this sit for 10 minutes. And I always dry my hair with an old t-shirt. Somebody told me to do that once and I have been doing it ever since. After every product, it lets you know what to do next. So I am about to follow up with the leave-in conditioner. I definitely need my wide tooth comb. Here are the things that I am using. Curl pudding, Eco Style Gel, just in case. Hair clips, water, comb, and blow dryer. And before I start my wash and go, I'm going to put this rosemary oil in my hair. But I'm always going to use my coconut oil too. Oh, and yes, you need scrunchies. So I have decided that I'm going to do a side part. Some people start from the back, but I like to start from the front. First thing first, you need to spray some water. I'm using the Sea Moss curl pudding, but I am following up with my Eco Style Gel because I just feel like the gel is the best. I'm going to take a hair clip and clip the section that I just did. And I like to rake my hands back through it, shingle it a little, and you just do the same thing. Water, product, rake, shingle, make sure you clip it. And I did let my hair try to dry after this, but this is me taking it down after 20 minutes. After I take it down, I give my hair a quick shake. And now it's time to go in with the blow dry. And with the blow dry, you're only blowing the roots only. Once you are halfway through blow drying, you need to take your pick and blow. Pick and blow. Just pick and blow till you can't no more. And at this point, I'm tired of picking and blowing, so I am about to put my hair up because I ain't going anywhere. I'm using my scrunchies and putting little fine apples. And now it is time to put my bonnet on. Okay, yeah, I know that was extra. I may take a picture or do a video to show y'all how my hair looks in the morning. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the subscribe button.